It's like a poison left the land with the enemy. This is our land, our outpost, and now the enemy knows it.
Taking this outpost brings us one step closer to victory.
Securing this outpost is another step closer to victory.